Hey everyone! If Roblox is running slowly or lagging on your Android phone, here's how to fix it. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. If you open Roblox and see a message saying your version is out of date, update the game first. Tap Upgrade, or open the Google Play Store and install the latest version of Roblox. Using an outdated version can cause lag and other performance issues. Next, open your phone's settings. Open Apps and then search Roblox and open it. Tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or game data. Also make sure your phone has enough free storage available. A device with very little storage can cause Roblox to run slowly. Finally, avoid using unofficial apps or tricks that claim to reduce lag, as they could put your Roblox account at risk. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.